Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Autoresponder, what is it and how it can be used in a business? Autoresponder services use a computer program that automatically returns a pre-written message to anyone who sends an email to your web or blog site. It is widely used for responding to consumer inquiries and visitor comments and suggestions. Follow-up automatic responders are also used by businesses in responding to people who subscribe or unsubscribe to their online subscriptions. An email autoresponder is the second most important marketing tool I have to make money online. The first would be my hosting company. Without these two tools, my internet marketing business is dead in the water. In the world of internet marketing, millions of sites are fiercely competing with each other to gain new clients. For any e-commerce site to succeed, it must capture the interest and the trust of its visitors. It is not enough that your site is perfectly designed or has the latest in animation of content. You should focus your efforts not only in attracting visitors but also in leading them to make a purchase. There are dozens of marketing strategies you can use to attract more buyers and pump up your sales. One of them is by establishing an excellent and professional reputation for a prompt and efficient response. As more potential customers visit your site, you should expect a flood of inquiries and requests for information. This is an excellent opportunity for you to capture more clients and lead them to buying from your site. Thus, it is important that you carry out an efficient and prompt response to every email you receive. The fastest and most effective way to do this is by utilizing an email automatic responder. How can effective autoresponder services help boost your business? The answer lies in its ability to return a prompt response to any email the web or blog site receives. By responding rapidly and efficiently, you create a very good impression on your potential customer. Good email autoresponders help you get important information back to these customers immediately. An effective autoresponder service helps you communicate your message promptly, thus creating a sense of professionalism and efficiency that your clients will definitely appreciate. Another very important advantage of email autoresponders is that it saves time with multiple marketing tasks. Certainly, you do not have enough time to personally make and send all correspondence. Autoresponder services allows you to send thank you letters, newsletters, product information, brochures, orders, etc. to hundreds of clients almost immediately and simultaneously. Autoresponder services are also indispensable in any email marketing campaigns. Choosing the right one is very important. What makes the best automatic responder? The ability to respond promptly is the first thing you must look for in any automatic responder. You should also pick an autoresponder that is reliable and can give you 24/7 service. One thing to keep in mind is that you cannot afford to lose a customer because your autoresponder failed to answer his query or request. The ability to respond promptly is the first thing you must look for in any automatic responder. Another key factor you should consider when choosing autoresponder services is flexibility. Good autoresponders allow you to customize unique responses that will have maximum effect on the customer. An excellent email autoresponder lets you provide the information that is specifically targeted for what the potential customers are looking for. Why? Excellent question. Here is why. Any email from potential customers essentially represent the customer's intent on getting more information about your product, which can ultimately lead to direct sales. Remember that all emails are important. Thus, a top autoresponder service must fulfill all these duties to help you boost your business. For all of our autoresponder needs, we prefer a Weber. They are very reasonably priced and have proved to be reliable and easy to use. But most are about the same with cost, reliability, and service. Other autoresponders we know of include GetResponse, Constant Contact, and MailChimp, which I do believe is free. So I hope you got some great value about autoresponders. That's it for the tutorial. But before you go, please smash that like button, leave a nice comment, and please subscribe to my channel. See ya.